Hi everybody, welcome to Cedar Creek RC. I'm John here. I'm in a build-off, I guess a budget build-off with Tron Sutton at You Know I Rock RC, Road Tripping RC on YouTube as well. I don't know, there's a few more guys, but I don't know any of their YouTube channels right now. Hopefully we'll get that soon. First week, budget of $50. I thought was some really good deals from Endura. I got a set of these wheels from their website on clearance, so not bad. Tires, I don't know if you can really see them. I got those off Amazon. I don't know the brand. I'll try to post links of everything on this video. I'll have some more videos of the build. The chassis I'm building is a rock buggy chassis from Endura. Also found these on a really good special. I don't know if they have any more on special, but when I bought it, this is what it is. Already mostly assembled, still have the panels to go. You can see those in the background. Had to put the Cricut to work. Have big plans for this, but spent most of my first $50 budget in this first week on parts and pieces. And like I said, I'll post some links to everything that I've bought so far. Seems like it's going to be a pretty fun build. It's trying to show people that you can build on a budget and build something from scratch. We are using a factory or a stock motor and ESC and transmitter, which that helps save a bunch. It's just showing what you can do with a limited budget overall with the TRX4M platform, which is a really good platform to start with. Feel free to comment. If you have any questions, any of us will be able to help you, and we're more than glad to help, especially if you're newer to the community. There's lots of questions, lots of different things. Lots of things can go wrong, lots of things can go right. And again, I'll post some more pictures of the process of painting panels. I don't even know if, I think I posted pictures of the panels. And some assembly. I didn't really do an assembly video. There's lots of guys on YouTube that have done those. But next week, we'll have a little further progress. And in the meantime, I hope everyone has a great day.